Hello everyone, and we are back in our Berlin kitchen. We've just finished 2 solid days of cooking and we are about to tackle our final recipe of the day. Today we are going for the pulled jackfruit burger. It is the vegan or the veggie replacement for pulled pork. The texture is very similar, you can see it pulls apart.
Yes, it looks exactly
easily.
like pulled pork, really
Yeah.
does.
And when done right, it tastes great. We are going for a barbecue sauce. This is going to be a barbecue style pulled pork burger.
Right.
The relish is really up to you. We've gone for some of our favorites. We've gone for some sliced pickled gherkins, a bit of lettuce, some tomatoes. We're going to throw some avocado in there as well. So it's a very quick recipe. We've got 1 tablespoon of olive oil heating up in here. It's on a low to medium heat. Just turn to medium. The first thing we are going to do is throw in our jackfruit. If we have any very big pieces of jackfruit, we can break them up. But to be honest, it falls apart pretty easily when cooking. So unless they're gigantic, you can pretty much stick them in as they are. So in there you go. And that in there is 200 grams or about 7 ounces. Okay, so we're going to give it just a quick stir. We don't want it to burn. That piece there, for example, is quite big, so we'll give that one a quick chop in the pan. Otherwise, these are all looking pretty good. We're going to fry these for about 5 minutes. Now, this is also a good chance to stick in onion if you prefer your onion cooked. We're going to save our onion to go raw into the burger, but if you're not a fan of raw onion, throw it in now.
I'm definitely a raw onion fan when it comes to burgers.
Me too. Right, so we've been frying for a couple of minutes now, and we are going to add a couple of tablespoons of barbecue sauce. 1, 2 good tablespoons. And we'll get that one mixed in. What we're trying to do here is just coat the jackfruit a little bit. We are not going to leave it to sit in the sauce for too long. We want our burgers quick because we are hungry. Okay, it is time to assemble our very own barbecue pulled jackfruit burger. We're going to start with a dollop of barbecue sauce, bits of lettuce, on comes jackfruit.
Okay. The pulled jackfruit pork,
Exactly.
basically.
Let's get some thinly sliced onion, a couple of bits of tomato. This is all down to you as well. Whatever are your favorite pieces of relish, stick them on there. We're going for some gherkins and we're going to top it off with a little bit of avocado. And finally, 1 more dollop barbecue sauce on the top. And we have our burger. A little bit more salt? No.
I would like some salt. Okay. Cheers.
Look at that. If we think it's going to fall apart, we can put one of these through the middle to hold it all in place.
Oh yes. Alright.
And we have 1 pulled jackfruit pork burger.
Looks pretty authentic, doesn't it? Nice.
If that is not a great vegan or vegetarian version, I don't know what it is.
Nice.
Alright, so we have just finished up making our vegan alternative to barbecue pulled pork burgers. And these are looking pretty
Sexy.
good. Yes. Look at those.
Yes, they're really nice. Okay, yeah.
Alright, we are going to get on and eat them before they get cold. Any closing words from you, Hauke?
Well, if you try this one out here, then let us know in the comments how you like jackfruit, how it turned out for you. And of course then see you in the next video.
See you then.
Bye!
Bye for now.